Hey, what's good, beautiful people? My name is Martha, aka Martha the Dancer. Anyway, let's get right to it.
I can rest assured knowing you're on the other end of it. Looking forward to the descent and you're out. See you when I touch down. You're my champagne.
I hope that every single one of you that asked me to make this YouTube channel is watching, because we are here now. As I've already mentioned, my name is Martha and I'm a dancer slash choreographer. I do a bunch of stuff actually. I love music. I love listening to music. That's where the magic comes from, and your imagination as a dancer. Yeah, I am a dancer slash choreographer and now actress. You see where this is going? I love music. I don't know, I just love everything that has to do with arts, everything that has to do with people chasing their dreams, going after their dreams, and just living them, because we only got this one life to make it right. So that is all I'm about. I am about going after the thing that you want the most as an individual, that your heart is just burning after and you really can't turn it off. You get that thing that is always there. Yeah, so I listen to that a lot. Right now I'm just basically doing a briefing or a light introduction about myself and what I do. I'll go deeper into things about my dancing, about my acting, about choreography, about dance classes, all of those things, about work, what I do right now, about my dance videos, all of those nice things. We will touch onto those. So basically, I just wanted to introduce myself to you guys. I am 24 right now. Going 25 this year. 2022. Yes, I'm 24 right now, going 25 2022, right? I love my family actually. Yeah, and I'm very grateful because everything that happened, and I am where I am right now, and pursuing what I'm doing right now, and believing what I believe in, because of where I grew up, how I was just generally made by God, and I believe so much in God, and I believe in faith. I just believe that everything works out the way it does for a particular reason, for a specific reason. We may not always know the reason, but it's for a genuine reason. It's not always good, but it's also not always bad. Yeah, that is me. My favorite color is neon green, or anything that has to do with any type of green, any shade of green, but as long as it goes together. Green and black is the colors that I associate myself with. Yeah, got all of this black going on here. There's a lot of green in my closet. I actually haven't said where I'm from. Okay. I am from Botswana, in a place called Tamaga. That is my home village, or let me say hometown. I grew up in the city in Gaborone. That's where I am staying when I am there. Right now I'm currently in South Africa, in Cape Town, for some work that I'm doing. This side, I got the opportunity to be the side to work with beautiful, amazing people from international platforms, and it's really amazing. I will disclose more about it as time goes on, but right now this is all you're getting. I've had people supporting me in this thing who are very motivating and encouraging me to keep going, right? So I'm very thankful for all those people, and whoever's watching and has had some sort of impact, some sort of guidance that they had for me, or to pass on to other dancers, other artists out there. Thank you so much. Thank you a million times. You do not know how grateful I am, because I wouldn't be where I am right now without the help that I received from my family, my TNT family, my dance family, the students that I've worked with, my dance friends, my colleagues. I believe that's all I had for you today, guys. I don't want to get into too much. We will talk more as to what I do exactly, how I do it, with who, and yeah, get to talk more about me. So engage with me, guys. Like, what do you guys wanna know? If you have like any comments, questions, queries, blah, just do all the nice things. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share. I know there's not much to share right now, but like, trust me. Trust me, okay? Because we are doing this. It's 2022. We are going after everything, and ain't nobody stopping. Nobody is stopping for no one. I'm not stopping for nobody. I ain't stopping for nobody. Do you hear me? Bye. Till I see you again next time. Signing out. This is all new to me. I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do, for my intros and outros. Thank you for watching my first YouTube video where I actually get to talk, because I've posted some videos before on YouTube, and I was saying fuck all, nothing. My first YouTube video, and with many more to come. So I'll see you. We will talk. We'll chat. Oh, my Instagram handle, Martha the Dancer. People like saying this. I will write my handle. I'm handling it. I will write my handle by my hands. Check me out on Instagram, Martha the Dancer. Check me out on Facebook, Martha the Dancer on my page, or Martha Leshetla on my personal profile. But I do not necessarily engage too much on that one. I engage mostly on Instagram. Yeah. So good night, guys, and we will see you again. We'll see each other again. Cool.